Good morning, class. In continuation of chapter 3, Atoms and Molecules, I am going to explain you today atomic mass unit. Already you know that atoms are the basic unit of matter. They are smallest component of a chemical element, which is a substance that cannot be broken down into simpler material. Atoms have specific properties that will determine their chemical and physical nature. One of the important property is atomic mass. Atomic mass. Atoms have three basic components. First one is proton. They are positively charged particle. Electrons, negatively charged particles. Neutrons are non-charged particles. Protons and neutrons are the larger particles and found in the nucleus, which is the core of atom. Atomic mass is calculated by adding number of protons and number of neutrons, ignoring electrons. Why? Because of their small size. Dalton are the standard units used for measuring atomic masses. Actually, masses of an atom, of an element, are very small. It is not convenient to use such a small and complicated figure in our calculation. So therefore, it was necessary to define atomic mass in such a way that we get simple figure for that. So to understand the present definition of atomic mass, we should first know the meaning of carbon 12 atom. Carbon 12 atom. Carbon 12 atom is that atom of carbon which has 6 protons, 6 neutrons in its nucleus, so that its mass number is 12. Carbon 12 atom is exactly 12 atomic masses unit before it was written in short, that was AMU. Now this unit is denoted by U, letter U. Now the question arises that actually what is atomic mass unit? What is the meaning of atomic mass unit? It means that carbon 12 atom has atomic mass of exactly 12U. 12U. Atomic mass unit is 1/12 the mass of carbon 12 atoms, and it can be written like that: 1U is equal to 1/12 the mass of carbon 12 atom. We can say also that the atomic mass of an element indicates the number of times one atom of element is heavier than 1/12 of a carbon 12 atom. Now let us take one example. Like that, we can take example of magnesium. What is the atomic mass of magnesium? Atomic mass of magnesium is 24U, which indicates that one atom of magnesium is 24 times heavier than 1/12 of a carbon 12 atoms. Now, what is the actual mass of atomic mass unit? The actual mass of atomic mass unit is 1.6605 into 10 is to minus 24 gram. It means that 1 U is 1.6605 into 10 is to minus 24 gram. We can say that the atomic mass of magnesium is 24 U. The actual mass of atomic masses unit is 1.6605 into 10 is to minus 24 gram. By using this value of atomic mass unit, we can find the actual mass of atom of any element. So whenever we calculate or we use atomic masses of different elements, it will calculate or it will written in the terms of U. Like magnesium, atomic mass of magnesium is 24 U. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 U. Please children learn the definition atomic mass and what is the difference between atomic mass and atomic mass unit. Thank you.